Now let's check how much money I made in my first month of doing YouTube full time. Let's check it out. Whoa! You guys, before I go over the numbers, please make sure you subscribed, like the video if you find it interesting, and if you want to hit the notification bell, do so, because if you do, you get notified every time I upload a video. All right, so now we are on the channel analytics page. This is going to give us all the information that we need about our channel. And when I say our channel, it's my channel, but for some reason I'm including you guys. It's our channel. Before we get to how much money we made, let's go over the views. We got 6,700 views in the month. 517 watch hours. We gained 135 subscribers. So now let's see how much money we made from doing YouTube full-time in our first month. The answer is $75.96. No, this is not enough money to retire. This type of money is not going to really change my life, but that's not the point. The whole point is that you can start a YouTube channel as a passion, which I did over 2 years ago. I wasn't consistent with the uploads until recently. And I mean, once I actually started doing it full time, I noticed the traction, slowly things started to build up. I can only imagine what these numbers would look like if we had 200,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers. So to me, the opportunity is just, it's up to me, I'm going to get out of this what I put into it. So YouTube isn't the only way I'm going to be making money from this channel. I will also be making money from my Amazon affiliate links. Real quick, just what that is, it's anytime I bring up a product on the channel, I always let you guys know you can buy it in the description. I leave the link to buy it on Amazon. Anytime someone makes that purchase or they use the link and they order something else, whatever they order, I get a very, very small commission of that. Let's get right into it. Let's see how much we made. Pull this up. All right, if you look right here, summary for the month, total earnings is $134.05. So we made more money on Amazon affiliates than we did actual YouTube, which was super surprising to me. Can you imagine if we had a video that had 1 million views, 2 million views? Yeah, I know it's a short video. There's really not much more to talk about. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm going to be doing a follow-up video in about a year just to compare this video to wherever we are at the channel. And again, thank you guys so much. I am so grateful. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not, like the video and all that good stuff. And yeah, see you next time.